They take it out. For this prank, you're gonna need a water bottle. This one is empty, and that's how we want it. We also need a cup, of course, baking soda and vinegar, with a little bit of ice too. So what we're gonna do first, guys, is we're gonna cut off the bottom of the bottle. So with a blade, carefully, just remove that. Simple enough, right? So now that the bottom has been removed, we're gonna keep the cap on and make sure it's super tight and sealed. The next step is to add vinegar into the cup while it's upside down. So do that. I guess that works. Leave a little gap there just to make it look more legit. We're gonna take the cup, place it over the bottle, and make sure you push down on the cup so it's super tight, and then we're gonna flip over the cup. All right, so far so good, guys. Next, we're gonna fill the sides with, you guessed it, baking soda. So add baking soda inside. So add as much as you can. And I'm getting super messy here. Okay, that works, guys. And don't worry about the mess, they won't suspect anything. I'm just gonna surround the top of the cup with ice just to make it seem like I'm trying to make this water bottle cold. So just around the top so they can't see the baking soda. So you guys get the idea, right? At this point, the prank is set. We got the bottle with vinegar. Then we have baking soda surrounding it inside of the cup. And then we got some ice around it on top just to make it seem like we're trying to make this bottle of water cold. So just tell somebody if they could do you a favor and go and get that bottle out of that cup that's chilling there. And when they do that, this is what's gonna happen, guys. They take it out. Instant mess. Yeah. And it keeps on going. Hey, stop. Alright, I think I put a stop to it. But yeah, that's what happens. A big mess. They didn't expect. It's good for any occasion. If you guys want to make a mess, go for it. This prank is awesome. I highly recommend it.